going up this, I'm up at Pistol Ridge. It's like 80 degrees and like 90% humidity. But it's a 9+ PG13. If you've watched my videos before, you'll know that 9+ is basically the grade that I call. Not all the time, obviously. Maybe I shouldn't have climbed in sunglasses. It's very sunny up there, though. What are we doing for feet? Take my sunglasses off. That was exciting. Pretty sure it goes this way. Well, I hope there's a bolt up there. Couple of bolts and no snakes. Let's see. Oh, I see it. That's great news. I'm on pretty good terrain. You can give me a little more slack. All right, sunglasses are going back on, I guess. Zone brille. No snakes. Don't be snakes. Boop. Clipping. Okay. I'm in a good stance if you need to do something. All right, I'm moving. Clipping. That was the clipping hold, not the hold that I used. Fun. I think it was super cool. Alright, for my long draws.